guess who is back home?
My Christmas is here from Mr. Pan. Christmas. This is what? Can't believe you bought this.
Don't take on the video.
Do I take on? Right. Turn around to Johnny Barry. Thank you. Thank you, honey. This is nice. It's not a gym. Over
I could quite a camera.
I don't know. This is nice. Thank you.
This is my
I can show you this, but Mukwana. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. But I love my flowers. I love the music, honey. Thank you so much. Guys, happy holidays.
Yeah, happy holidays.
And Merry Christmas, honey. Thank you so much for loving me. If there is something that I've learned in my past life is never to settle for less. This year is one of those years that broke me so much, but I think it is one of the years that have been the strongest, you know. Today is 23rd. Today is 23rd, Monday, 2024, December. And we have flowers. Guess what? We have flowers. This is the person who gave me this. Said, here is a banquet to match your beauty. It is a full card here, and they were wishing me, he was wishing me a lovely Christmas and a happy holidays. And yeah, he expressed his love and how he feels and his appreciations for me, like for being in his life. Now, guess what? Yesterday I was surprised. Of course, yesterday I saw him. He's my boyfriend. I'm talking about my boyfriend. Yesterday I saw him, and I didn't know he was going to do this. He always gives me flowers. Every month I receive flowers, but these ones, I'm so surprised because every time he brings flowers, he brings different kind of flowers, like different types, different colors, different packaging. But I love this. Unfortunately, every time I receive flowers, Amor is going to travel. Like Amor is traveling. Now I received this yesterday, and today I'm traveling. So it is officially a Christmas week, and we are in holidays, so I have to go home. Today I've been cleaning. You know, guys, I hate traveling and then coming back to a dirty, disorganized house. I feel like even before I reach home, I start getting stressed over that. I think of how I'm going to look at it, where I'm going to start from. So I always endeavor to clean and organize before I leave. So my home is clean. The sitting room, the washrooms, both the like my bedroom, and then the kitchen, everything, it's organized. So I'm going to go, and of course I will not be like stressed over that, because I've also changed my bed sheets. I also did laundry today. Guys, look at these flowers. Like, look at them. They are so cute. Thank you, Jay. Thank you so much. I do love them. I really love them. I don't know whether I'm going to find them intact, but I just don't want temper with them. They are so cute. Oh, there is this one. I love you. And guess what? This is not the only thing that I got. I also got sneakers. This is his first time buying me something with colors, because I do wear black and white a lot, and I was so surprised. Surprisingly, I love them, and he knows my size. I do love them. I think I've seen a few girls were rocking these, and they were nice. I love them. I love the color. This is gray, beige, and pink, over peach. But I do love them. Thank you, honey. I love them so much. Other things that he bought, I cannot share you, because he has got a good choice. Like, I don't know, I'm so picky, but he makes sure everything that he gets me is lit. So guys, I think I'm not going to be vlogging in the holidays. Okay, I'll vlog here and there, but it's not going to be a strong vlog. But of course, we shall resume later. I think from 30th to Java to vlogging. But yeah, I wanted to come here and thank each and every one of you who has been there for me, each one of you who has been supporting me, subscribing, sharing my videos. Someone, like, if you know you've been doing something positive here on this channel, I do appreciate. And then we started another channel a few months ago, I think 4 months ago. And guess what? We're only, right now as I speak, we are only remaining with 10 people to make it to 1K. And thank you so much. If you've been following me here, you know I've been tagging that channel, and on that channel we only talk about farming. And guess what? I don't know, but I really love it. It has not been so hectic like it was on this channel, but I don't know, I think I've been experienced in this field and all that, but I hope for the best. I want these 2 channels to be performing well next year, and I have so many things and a lot of things to give you on that channel and on this channel. So expect the best. I know our content has changed, and it has changed for the better. I've been giving you quality videos, good vlogs, and all that. Now for the sit downs, it may be kind of hard. I'm not doing sit downs like the way I used to do it, because I'm really fixed. But for the consistency, I've been consistent. It's only you who have not been doing that job. Like, we're not performing so well, but on the other channel, we are really performing well. So if this is your first time here and you don't know about the channel that I'm talking about, I'll be linking it in the description. It is called On a Farm, and we only talking about farm, and we only do farming there. Specifically, right now we are doing chicken farming, and then maize farming, chicken rearing, layers, and then maize farming. So don't miss that content, because I have a lot of things that I teach there. And if you're there, and maybe especially those people who are not in Uganda, and you're yet to come back to Uganda, you don't know what to do, maybe you can get some inspiration from there. So next year, I hope it's going to be a good year. I hope this has been a good year for you guys and for everyone, and I wish the same next year to everyone, to my subscribers. So another thing that I wanted to talk about is actually on that channel we are making 1K soon. We're only remaining with 10 people, and but for the watch hours we still have like 2K, but we're doing well. It's really moving, so it's just about the consistency. I'm going to be consistent enough, at least to make sure. I want by March to be monetized already. So yeah, hope me God, but with your hope it can happen. So yeah, I also went back to my painting era, and guess what? I think I love it, but 90% I've been pushed to plant here, but I love it. I think I'm kind of different with it. I've been really enjoying it and all that. So I'll see you when I come back. When your heart gets broken, focus on healing. Focus on healing and like totally healing. And when God gives you a chance to love again and to be loved, choose wisely. Choose wisely. First, you have to choose you. Two, you have to choose someone who chooses you. We have to choose someone who chooses you to be their priorities. Anyways, we got our flowers already for a month and for the holiday, and they are fresh flowers. One thing about my baby, he will always give me or buy different flowers, different types. Every time I receive flowers from him, they are different and they are nice. Like, look at these. I'm not bragging or overhyping him, but look at these. Really, look at that. They are really nice. And then they came with that card. I can't read what is inside because that is in between me and him, but trust me, I do love them. Like, this guy loves me so much. It's like we saw each other yesterday, but I do appreciate God. I love God so much, and yeah, it's been a while since I was really loved right. I've been loving people right, but I haven't been loved right. But anyways, happy holidays, happy new year, happy holiday, happy new year, happy 2025. I pray everyone gets what they desire and what you're working for and what you pray for. So yeah, from me to you, from mine to yours, happy 2025. So bye. I'm going home actually. I'm going to miss my flowers. I hope I found them really in good condition. But they smell so good. Like, you know, I love scent so much, but they smell so good. Literally so good. Anyways, guys, have a good night. It is actually 7 and I'm going to travel. So bye.
Giving myself 6 months to completely change my life. I want to reach my full potential. I know that there are parts of me that I'm holding back because of fear, and I don't want to do that anymore. I have big dreams and I have goals that I know I will not be able to reach if I don't let go of some shit that I'm holding on to. Just go for it. Do it.
This is #1 champion sound, yeah,
I've cried every day.
Who the hottest in the world right now? Just touched down in London town. Bet they give me a pound. Tell them put the money in my hand right now. Tell the promoter we need more seats. We just sold out all the floor seats. No interview with the enemy, cause I will only make enemy. No.
So thank you so much for subscribing, for supporting me, and see you in my next video. Happy New Year, everyone.